In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your LinkedIn profile creation date, which can be a really useful piece of information. Whether you are interested in tracking your digital footprint or just curious about when you first stepped into the professional networking world, knowing your profile creation date is a helpful marker. Let's dive right into the process. First, open up your web browser and go to LinkedIn.com. If you are not already logged in, you'll need to sign in to your LinkedIn account. You can do this conveniently by using your Google or Microsoft account if they are linked to your LinkedIn profile. Alternatively, you can simply enter your email address and password. For those who have enabled two-factor authentication for that extra layer of security, you might be prompted to verify your account by entering a code sent to your registered phone number. This step ensures you can proceed securely. Once you're securely logged in, direct your attention to the top of the LinkedIn homepage. Here, you'll see the Me icon, which is essentially your profile picture. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. Don't worry if this is your first time exploring this area. It contains a wealth of information regarding your account and how LinkedIn manages your data. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll notice a menu. Click on the option that says Data Privacy. This section is key as it contains the information you are searching for and also provides insights into how your information is handled on the platform. Within this area, find the section named How LinkedIn Uses Your Data. Clicking on this will lead you closer to uncovering the history stored about your account. Our journey continues as you click on Manage Your Data and Activity. This area is where LinkedIn hosts a variety of information about your account and its activity over time. Consider this your very own digital timeline, curated by LinkedIn, chronicling your professional journey. Here, you should be able to see details about your account's creation date. It's fascinating to reflect on when you first became part of the LinkedIn community. By now, you should be looking at the exact date your profile was created, marking the end of our little journey through your LinkedIn history. And there you have it. A straightforward process to uncover your LinkedIn profile's creation date. This information not only helps with personal record keeping but also serves as a reminder of your professional journey and the commencement of your networking endeavors online. Feel free to explore other options in your settings to become more familiar with the various privacy and data management features LinkedIn offers. Thanks for watching.